fast, but come on, you gotta grow. Oh, yes. $432. Okay, over 50 slots here, and we are doing Dancing Drums Explosion, our Bucket List Friday Handpay challenge. And I'm kind of messing up with the
Last
camera.
Handpay of the year right now.
There we go. I got it. We got $120 in, and we're doing a little mini group poll. So this is session 21. Let's go. All right. Dancing drums. Look at the explosion bonus. Yes, please. We got our 120 in. We're doing 580 bet, and I'll start it off. Here's the first one. 20 spins. Oh.
I think we're gonna have to talk a lot to get this.
Oh yeah, we gotta worry about the music.
Right. I'm in.
Okay, Yvonne, your spin. It's round one.
Wow, we need pots everywhere. Pots. There are pots.
There. Pots. They are pots. You got it. We'll call them pots.
All right, come on, let's do it. Oh. How many spins do we do?
20.
Number 8. Alright, well, almost halfway.
This is number 10.
Yeah.
Oh. Come on, we need something to happen, Tony. Ah! A gold one! Oh, we qualified! Woo! Come on, Yvonne, get that 2.6 million! Do your psyche.
You did it.
Hey!
You got a big one. Where is it?
Oh, mine are $52. Awesome.
Yeah, nice job.
Okay. All right, Tony.
Spin number 12. Okay. We'll find it, we'll find it.
We just need a bunch of those drums.
Oh,
We need drums, drums, drums.
yeah. Oh, that's right.
Oh!
All right, Sweet 16, here we go.
Oh, so close, Tony.
One more. Oh, no.
Oh, that was my last spin. This is your last spin, honey.
18.
Oh. Yvonne, you got it. Oh, come on.
Number 20 for Barry
Last
Sanders.
spin.
Barry Sanders, 20.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Yeah, we lost 14.
No, we put in 120, so we lost like 34. That's not bad. Okay. And we will come back with session number 22, and hopefully that will be the one.
That's going to be the one.
Look at that 2.6 million. Please.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Dancing Drums Prosperity, and I triggered it with a 3 drum this time on $1.88, and I'm going mystery. Come on, give me the 8 by or 6 by 5. Give me this one right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Yes. Oh, I thought it was going there. Oh, you better give me that 15, 15, 15, please, 15. Oh. That was a huge downgrade. Oh, that's what I get for taking risks. Oh, no dead spins. I only got 5. Grow it. Come on, grow. It hasn't even grown once. Last spin, you better read Re-trigger. Re-trigger. Well, at least it's gonna grow. Keep growing. Oh no. Wow. Okay, that was a bonus bummer. Well, this is why you don't pick mystery. Do a backup spin. Okay, well, I'll come back if I get anything else. Over 50 slots here. We are at Dancing Drones Prosperity, and I triggered the bonus on a 288 bet, and I got the triple drum, and I'm gonna go with mystery. Come on, give me that big one. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Oh, that's okay, that's good. Now right here. Right, this one right here. This one right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Over here. Oh, okay, it's okay. Status quo. Well, it's gonna be big. Oh, if it grows. Oh, it grew. Oh, I closed the pot. Oh, wow, what was that? $72 line hit. Yay. Okay. Now we got a hit. I'm gonna do the swipe. Oh, I got the mini for 14. That was our first spin. We got 4 more. Oh, not all the way across, but come on, you gotta grow. Oh, yes. $432. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Wow. Oh, we almost re-triggered. Last spin. That's it. $546 on a 288 bet. That was amazing. Oh my gosh. Look at the coin show. And there's the trigger we got, the 3-drum trigger. Wow. Thank you so much. Nice. And my $100 ticket is now $563. 1,
They took all the natural luck you have
2. And that's it. I'll come back to, or actually we have to go eat dinner, so. Dancing Drones Prosperity. Greg triggered the bonus on an 88-cent bet. What's it gonna pick? How did you do that? I saw you push 3. Thought. All right. Oh, nice upgrade. Now I gotta back up. Oh wow, what was that? 36? Oh, re-trigger. Nice.
Yay. That's cool. It needs some help.
Oh no. I'll line up some food dogs. Oh, 4 more spins.
All right.
Re-trigger.
Retrigger food dogs. Come on.
Oh, only 1 more spin. on re-trigger. Oh. I got 10s. Still almost $50 on 80-cent. That's pretty good. Yep, backup spin. Okay, come back if we get anything else. Thanks for watching.